accessing the DroneBlocks community. Open your browser and type in community.droneblocks.io, or click on the link below, and this will take you to the DroneBlocks community. It's a very cool forum where you can sign up for free, you can post comments, you can create topics, you can learn a lot, you can get some support, and it's a really cool place to hang out. So for example, we have this topic here from 4 days ago. There was some activity on it. There has been 16 replies and 97 views. So we'll just click on quadrupeds. And here we have someone who's posted a topic with some comment. You get to see some stats about it, and then people will reply. You get some video responses. People can reply to those. This is where you can post some unique issues that you might have, or follow along to see if other educators are experiencing the similar issues that you're having. So I would highly suggest you click on sign up, type in your email address and create a username and fill this in. And once you've signed in, things will look a little bit different. This is what a signed in page looks like. So once you've signed up and you've logged in, you'll see you've got your profile over here. You can bookmark some things that you like, and then you can fill out some of your information. But your biggest thing that you'll notice is this new topic button. So click on new topic. What's the discussion? In one brief sentence, Tello not flying. Okay, and go down to support, and here you can simply start. I have updated, etc. So you can fill something out, create the topic, and that will be created on the board behind you. You can also do things like looking at your coding. So you could say loop inside loop fail there. So whatever you need to do, it's basically just like you would post something on any other social media site or any forum. Fill out what you need. You can decorate it. Yeah, look at that. And then hit create. Now I won't do that because I'm not going to flood the forum with that. So I'm going to hit close, and we will just say discard. But if I just wanted to see what was going on, I could click on the DroneBlocks desktop beta. Oh, that looks cool. And then it says, yep, there's some feedback. There's a download. So I could download the beta version of the new DroneBlocks app that's coming. There may have been hints in that in some of the videos if you were watching carefully. So if you're using Windows or on a Mac, you can download the file and give it a go, and then you can give some feedback. And this is how we can constantly improve our software that we're delivering to you. So feel free to jump on there, download that, and give it a sample to give us some feedback. And that is how you join the community. Now there's one last thing to show you to help you maximize the most out of the community. I'm going to click on the quadruped, and I'm going to scroll down. So I'm going to scroll up, and here I see that Dennis has provided a video, which is very cool. I want to say thanks, Dennis. So I'll just put a little heart there. Great. I can click on the share, and I can actually share this link to someone using Twitter, Facebook, or email, or I could bookmark it. So what's really cool is if I click on bookmark, I could say, hey, remind me on Monday, or this weekend, or tomorrow, or later today. Otherwise, don't remind me. And then you'll notice it's got a little bookmark icon. And if I click on my little profile icon up here, and I click on my bookmark tab, there's my bookmark post. So I could basically look at some things that I find interesting. Oh, yep, this is going to be very helpful. And this is actually going to come in handy very soon. And now when I'm in my home page and I'm on another topic, for example, I could be reading up and I could be like, oh, that reminds me of that thing that I bookmarked. So I can simply go here to the bookmark, and I can jump straight to that topic where it's been bookmarked. So do that to remind yourself where the very important things are that you like, and you can start organizing that. Now, if you click on your icon and then you click on your bookmark and you click on the icon again, it will actually take you to your bookmarks page, and here's where you can remove bookmarks of things that you've already solved. So I don't need this one anymore. Click on the 3 dots and hit delete. Click on that, delete. Click on that, delete. And there you have it. That's how you can get the most out of the DroneBlocks community. So let's jump into the next video, which is the summary of lesson 3.